Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. स्टार्ट करेंगे. वेट करना है और 2 मिनट. 23. Let us wait for 2 more minutes. Okay. Till then, कोणाला काही doubts आहेत? Anyone has any doubt in organizational structure, organizational levels, whatever we saw?
सर मला एक डाऊट होता.
हाँ.
जेव्हा आपण ऑर्गनायझेशन कोड बनवला आणि प्लांट कोड बनवलेत आपण, तो एखाद्याने जर प्लांट कोड चुकून दुसऱ्या कोडला जर असाइन केला असेल, तर ती असाइनमेंट आपल्याला परत रिमूव्ह करता येते का?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
But the thing is, suppose you have created a plant, you have created material in that plant, you have created purchase orders in that plant, and then you want to delete that assignment.
Okay.
Then it gets difficult.
Okay.
Because then whatever transactions you have performed, due to that, if you delete it after that, then there might be some ambiguity that can arise due to that transaction.
Okay.
So generally, now sometimes it happens when the business requirement is gathered, users say that they need 4 plants or 5 plants. You create them, and after that, again business says that's no, we don't want these plants. Okay. So the approach that is followed is, if you don't want, that is not deleted.
Okay.
That is kept with a description that do not use, and it is told to business that you don't use these plants.
Okay. Fine.
Technically it is possible, but it is not recommended.
Okay. Fine, sir.
Yes. So today we are going to see the master data. Master data, we will start with material master. So what is master data first of all? Yes, what is master data? Yes, what is master data?
Master data is a core data which we use for any transactions.
Okay. Or
Like material master, vendor master.
what is master data in purchasing? What is the master data that is used in purchasing?
Vendor master, material master.
Master data in purchasing used for procuring, produce, store, and sell. For all these purposes, we use master data. Hello.
Yes. Good. Or
it is a place where we store all the details about materials and vendors which we are going to use again and again.
okay, good. Or master data is the data that is created only once in the system and it resides for longer time period in the system. मीनिंग आप मास्टर डेटा को एक बार क्रिएट करते हो और वो आप उसको यूज करते हो, ठीक है। तो ऐसा डेटा जिसको एक बार क्रिएट किया जाता है और उसका बार बार यूज किया जाता है उसको हम मास्टर डेटा बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है। टू गिव यू एन एग्जांपल, आवर सेविंग बैंक अकाउंट इन द बैंक इज अ मास्टर डेटा। हमारा जब बैंक में बैंक अकाउंट खुलता है तो बैंक एक बार हमारे डिटेल्स लेता है, हमारे लिए एक सेविंग बैंक अकाउंट नंबर बनाता है, एंड इट इज अ यूनिक नंबर. So whatever master data you create, that must be unique, right? So that bank account you can use later for doing the transactions. So master data is used in transactions. Okay, we have material master, we have vendor master, we have purchasing info records, we have source list, we have quota arrangement. In purchasing as a master data. Clear? Now we will start with material master. Now creating a master data of materials that are used in the organization is nothing but material master. कंपनी में हजारों मटेरियल्स है. To identify those 1000 materials, 1000 मटेरियल्स है, तो 1000 मटेरियल्स को आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए हम SAP में उसका मास्टर डेटा क्रिएट करते हैं. To identify each material uniquely, we create a material master data of each material. So that system assigns a unique number or unique code to that material. That is master data. Clear? Any doubts, any questions?
Clear, sir.
Good. Now, what are the transaction codes used to create the material master record? I have shared the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are the transaction codes used to create the material master record?
MM01 to create, MM02 to change, MM03 to display,
And
MM60 for overview of material, that is report of material created, MMB for material at the plant level, technically.
okay, you can see the screen.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay, good. So material master, to create the material master, we use transaction code MM01. To change it, we use transaction code MM02. To display, we use MM03. To display changes on the material master data, we use MM04. And to delete material master data, we use MM06. Everyone knows these transaction codes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone who has not executed these transaction codes? What is use of MM04?
सर MM06 के बारे में थोड़ा बताइए, वो नहीं यूज किया है.
MM04 it is used for to मतलब जो भी चेंजेस होता है मतलब एक आधे पार्ट के बारे में अगर चेंजेस हुआ है सिस्टम में तो उसकी पूरी हिस्ट्री दिखती है MM04.
Good. MM06?
I haven't used, sir, MM06 yet.
Okay. So MM06 is used to used to delete the material master. आपको कोई मटेरियल अभी यूज नहीं करना है, ठीक है, प्लांट में जैसे बहुत सारे मटेरियल्स, इंजीनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंट ने कोई नया मटेरियल इंट्रोड्यूस किया और बोला कि पुराना मटेरियल आपको यूज नहीं करना। नाउ यू वांट टू फ्लैग दैट मटेरियल एज डिलीटेड। तो डिलीशन मींस इट इज नॉट रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम द सिस्टम। हमने मटेरियल मास्टर को डिलीट कर दिया, इसका मतलब वो सिस्टम से चला नहीं जाता, ठीक है, वो सिस्टम में रहेगा, बट उसको एक फ्लैग लगेगा कि ये मटेरियल डिलीटेड है, सो दैट यू कैनॉट यूज दैट मटेरियल। कहीं पे भी आप उस मटेरियल का यूज करोगे, पीओ बनाने में जाओगे, गुड्स इश्यू करने जाओगे, गुड्स रिसिप्ट करने जाओगे, wherever you will go, you will get an error message that this material is flagged for deletion. Error or warning message, whatever you have configured. Clear? I'll show you in system. Organizational levels in material master record. कौन सी ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल लेवल पे मटेरियल मास्टर मेंटेन होता है?
बेसिक डेटा, हेलो,
At plant level and client level.
At plant level and at client level. और
सर
Storage location.
only storage location?
Client, plant and storage location.
Which views are maintained at client level?
Basic data view.
Basic data.
Okay. At plant level?
Purchasing and accounting.
Accounting. Purchasing.
And storage location?
Storage view and plant.
जनरल स्टोरेज एरिया।
जनरल प्लांट डेटा लेवल अगर अपन ये तो
Good.
स्टोरेज लोकेशन और ले लेते हैं।
Yes. So sometimes in interview they may ask you what are the organizational levels at which the data is stored in material master or vendor master. So you should know this, which data is stored in at which level. So the basic data in material master record, it is maintained at client level. Purchasing data, it is maintained at plant level. Accounting data, MRP data, this is also maintained at plant level, and the storage location
सर
data is maintained at storage location level.
सर सेल्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लेवल डेटा आल्सो मेंटेन फॉर दैट मटेरियल मास्टर।
We are discussing about purchasing side. Okay, so when it comes to sales organization data is maintained also. Clear?
Yes,
Sir.
Okay. Now let me go to the system. Now this material we created yesterday. 10127. Let me display this material. What are the tables in which material master data is stored? Material master का data कौन से table में stored होता है?
Mara and Marcy.
Mara and Marcy, okay. और सिर्फ मारा और मार्सी में ही होता है?
MARD.
Yes. The first assignment for today. find out all tables in which material and vendor master data is stored. ओके आपको ये पता करना है आज, ठीक है. नाउ material master creation everyone knows, so let me create a material master MM01. So while creating the material master data, we use the transaction code MM01 to create the material master data. We enter the industry sector and the material type. What is material type and what is industry sector?
Industry sector has its own control function like screen sequence and field selection. It is
Good.
mandatorily required, and once you assign the industry sector, you cannot change it afterward.
Good.
Also, material type is the like the material which having same attributes can club together.
Okay.
Or
Good.
mandatorily you have to assign the material type also.
Okay. Good. So industry sector is used to identify industry of that material. कौन से इंडस्ट्री में हम काम कर रहे हैं उस इंडस्ट्री का इंडस्ट्री सेक्टर हम सिलेक्ट करते हैं. And the purpose of industry sector given here is industry specific fields which are there. For those fields we can control the field selection on industry sector level. कुछ इंडस्ट्री स्पेसिफिक फील्ड्स होंगी जिसको मैंडेटरी करना है, एंड द इंडस्ट्री स्पेसिफिक स्क्रीन सीक्वेंस, जो भी आगे स्क्रीन्स आती है, व्यूज आते हैं, उनका जो सीक्वेंस है वो हम इंडस्ट्री सेक्टर लेवल पे कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. द सेकंड थिंग इज मटेरियल टाइप. मटेरियल टाइप इज नथिंग बट वी ग्रुप द मटेरियल्स into material types based on their usage in the process. मटेरियल्स का प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस में या हमारे बिजनेस प्रोसेस में कहां पे यूज होने वाला है, बेस्ड ऑन दैट वी कैटेगराइज दोज मटेरियल्स इनटू मटेरियल टाइप्स. ठीक है. सो a material which is going to be used in the finished product and we order it from the vendor, we categorize that material as a raw material. So what is raw material? A raw material is used to produce a finished product. That is why it is called as raw material. It is going to be used in production process. A semi-finished material is a material which state is semi-finished. So itself it is finished, but again it is going to be part of some finished product. Okay. For example, okay, crankshaft is a raw material. Why? Because it is used in engine. Engine itself is a finished product. Engine अपने आप में एक finished product है, but it is used in car, so we can call it as semi-finished. This is your final product, car. So this is your finished product. This is your raw material. Clear है? Understood? Now अगर कोई कंपनी सिर्फ इंजन मैन्युफैक्चर करता है और इंजन को सेल करता है, तो फॉर देम दिस इज फिनिश्ड प्रोडक्ट और सेमी फिनिश्ड प्रोडक्ट.
फिनिश प्रोडक्ट।
फिनिश प्रोडक्ट, ठीक है। तो प्रोसेस में हम उसका क्या यूज कर रहे हैं, बेस्ड ऑन दैट द मटेरियल टाइप्स आर डिफाइंड। क्लियर है, अंडरस्टूड?
यस।
ठीक है। So there are different material types that are used in SAP. ROH is the technical name for raw materials. Semi-finished. What is the technical name for semi-finished? PERP. Packaging materials.
HALB for
HALB is there, right? ठीक है. There are so many material types that can be used. There are so many. ठीक है. Now you select the material type here and you enter to create the material master record. Now when I'm not entering a material number here, what type of number at assignment it is?
Internal.
Correct. So if I'm not entering a number here and system is allowing me to enter the data, it means system will assign the number to the material master record. So that is called as internal number assignment. When we enter the material number manually or externally, that is called as external number assignment. Clear? So here internal number assignment is used. It means system will assign the number to the material master. Okay? So you select the views here on the screen. You select the views, click on continue. Now here it is asking us plant and storage location. Why it is asking plant and storage location? Because we have selected the views which are maintained at plant and storage location. So when you select purchasing view, then only system asks you plant. If you are not selecting the purchasing view, or if you select only basic data, it will not ask you plant. Why? Because basic data is maintained at client level. So it will not ask you plant. When you select purchasing data or MRP data or accounting data, at that point of time, system asks you to enter the plant because that data is maintained at plant level. When you select storage location data, then system asks you storage location. If you do not select storage location data, system will not ask you storage location data. So basic data is maintained at client level, purchasing data is maintained at plant level, MRP is maintained at plant level, this data is maintained at plant and storage location level, and this data is maintained at plant level. Continue. Enter the plant ISP1. Enter the storage location 1000. Enter. What is the use of valuation class in material master record? What is the use of this valuation class in material master record?
Price control.
stock material valuated at which account or in which account the transaction would be happen is defined by valuation class.
Very good. ठीक है. So valuation class, हम जब valuation class material master में enter करते हैं, so we are telling system that this particular material 10136, its stock value will be posted to a GL account that is assigned to valuation class 3000. Okay, so the purpose of valuation class is to determine the general ledger automatically, automatic account determination. पढ़ा है सबने? ठीक है. So this is how you create the material master record. material number is assigned by system 10136, and this is a internal number that is assigned by the system. Okay. Now if I go to MM04, it shows me MM02, MM03, everyone knows, so I'm just keeping that. In MM04 we can display the changes. Suppose किसी यूजर ने मटेरियल मास्टर में कुछ तो चेंज किया जिसकी वजह से अभी पीओ नहीं बन रहा है या पीओ करते समय एरर आ रहा है. नाउ जो बायर पीओ बना रहा है, he will raise a ticket to you and he will ask you, I'm not able to create the purchase order for this material and I'm facing this issue. Let me know why it is facing. Then you do the analysis. क्यों एरर आ रहा है? अच्छा, कोई पर्टिकुलर फील्ड है जो यूज नहीं करना चाहिए था, वो यूज हुआ है. तो किसने चेंज किया मटेरियल मास्टर में? यू वांट टू डू द एनालिसिस. So you can make use of this transaction code MM04. So when you enter a material number and execute, this transaction code will give you the details of all the changes. आपने जो भी मटेरियल मास्टर में चेंजेस किए हो, सारे चेंजेस यहाँ पे वो डिस्प्ले करता है. So if I go to MM02 and if I change something, for example बेसिक डेटा में मैं आया और यहाँ पे मैंने ये स्टेटस जो है यहाँ पे ब्लॉक कर दिया. What is the status in material master record? क्या यूज है स्टेटस का मटेरियल मास्टर में?
मटेरियल प्रोक्योरमेंट के लिए ब्लॉक करने के लिए या कोई स्पेशल पर्पस हो, मटेरियल को आगे नहीं ये करना है, क्वालिटी के लिए इंस्पेक्शन के लिए रिजर्व करके रखना है, तो उसमें स्टेटस अपडेट करते हैं.
वेरी गुड. ठीक है. सो मटेरियल स्टेटस, आप मटेरियल को स्टेटस असाइन कर सकते हो कि उसको यूज करना है नहीं करना है. सो नाउ यू कैन सी there are two entries. So first one, I created the material master record. Second one, I changed the material master record. So system gives you the details, कौन सी डेट पे, कौन से टाइम पे, कौन से यूजर ने क्या चेंज किया. So if you go to its details, it will show you that material status is changed by the user. Who is the user? This is the user. This is the date and time at which he changed it. So you can find out who has done the changes on the material master record using transaction code MM04. Now transaction code MM06 is used to flag material for the deletion. मटेरियल का अभी कोई भी यूज नहीं हो रहा है, पर्टिकुलर मटेरियल है और उसका अभी यूज नहीं हो रहा है कहीं पे भी. प्रोडक्शन में उसको आप यूज नहीं कर रहे हो, वेंडर से आप उसको परचेस नहीं कर रहे हो. इन शॉर्ट, द मटेरियल इज डीस्कोप्ड. मटेरियल का स्कोप खत्म हो चुका है, मटेरियल का यूज नहीं करना है. नाउ इट मे हैपन बाय मिस्टेक, कोई अगर उसको परचेस करता है या बाय मिस्टेक कोई उसका इन्वेंटरी मैनेजमेंट, मतलब कोई स्टॉक आपका उसका पड़ा हुआ है एंड यूजर ट्राइज टू इशू इट, यू डोंट वांट दोज मूवमेंट्स टू हैपन. आप उसके ऊपर परचेसिंग नहीं चाहते हो, आप उसका कोई भी मूवमेंट नहीं चाहते हो. इन दैट केस यू वांट टू डिलीट दैट मटेरियल, you use this transaction code flag material for deletion MM06. Okay. So you can go here, enter, and you can select this. So when you select this option, this means this material will be deleted. ये material deleted है. It will get deleted. Save it. Now you copy this material, go to MM02, enter, select basic data, continue. Now system gives you a message, deletion flag is set at client level. ठीक है. तो आप कहीं पे भी इसको यूज करो, सिस्टम आपको मैसेज दे देता है. सेव इट. नाउ इफ यू ट्राई टू क्रिएट द परचेस ऑर्डर, material flagged for deletion. So you cannot use this material. Clear? Understood? Now,
Yes.
in MM06, there are other options to delete the material. For example, this material, when you enter only material number, it means it will be blocked in all plant, all storage locations, everywhere it will be blocked. So you see, plant selected and it is blank, means it is for all plants. It is for all storage locations. It is for all valuation types, all sales organizations. If you want to block or if you want to delete this material in specific plant, आपको सिर्फ किसी particular plant में ही उसको delete करना है. So you can enter the plant name here and you select here, not here. If you select here, it is client level block. So it will be blocked everywhere. But if you select this plant only, it means this material will be deleted only in this plant. In other plants, you can still use the material. Understood?
Hello,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir. What is meant by valuation type?
What is mean by valuation type? What is valuation type?
Whether it is a standard or moving.
No.
What basis material?
No. What is valuation type? Third assignment for today. No one knows what is valuation type?
Valuation means plant or company code level.
Valuation type. Nobody knows.
Standard valuation and split valuation.
Very good. किसी ने तो चार्ट में डाल दिया. Split valuation. What is split valuation? In split valuation, you use the valuation types. So when a material is split valuated, you maintain the price at valuation type level. Clear? ठीक है? तो आज के असाइनमेंट में आपको वैल्यूएशन टाइप क्या होता है वो भी फाइंड आउट करना है. ठीक है? नाउ ये समझ में आया? किसी पर्टिकुलर प्लांट के लिए उसको डिलीट करना है तो प्लांट नंबर डालना है और सिर्फ प्लांट का ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट करना है. सेम वे किसी पर्टिकुलर प्लांट के किसी पर्टिकुलर स्टोरेज लोकेशन में डिलीट करना है तो प्लांट भी डालना है, स्टोरेज लोकेशन भी डालना है और यहाँ पे स्टोरेज लोकेशन सिलेक्ट करना है. दिस इज हाउ यू डिलीट दी मटेरियल्स. आप एक बार मटेरियल को डिलीट करके उसको अनडिलीट भी कर सकते हो. इसका चेकबॉक्स अगर आपने निकाल दिया, इट मीन्स दिस मटेरियल इज अनडिलीटेड. नाउ यू कैन यूज दैट मटेरियल अगेन. सो डिलीशन सिस्टम ओनली सेट्स अ फ्लैग. सिस्टम सिर्फ उसको एक फ्लैग लगा देता है, ये मटेरियल डिलीटेड है, हम इसको यूज नहीं कर सकते. Clear? Understood?
Yes.
Now the important point. What is controlled by material type, or what is the importance of material type or the configuration of material type? This question will be there in your each and every interview. डायरेक्टली आपको अगर नहीं पूछा गया कि व्हाट कंट्रोल्स मटेरियल टाइप, तो आपको पूछा जाएगा कि मटेरियल टाइप को नंबर रेंज कैसे असाइन करते हैं, मटेरियल टाइप का फील्ड सिलेक्शन कैसे कंट्रोल होता है, मटेरियल टाइप को प्रोक्योरमेंट टाइप कैसे असाइन होता है. Okay, so this is very important topic. Now tell me, what are the things that are controlled by material type?
Field selection.
Number ranges, external, internal procurement,
Mm.
User department,
valuation,
Mm.
Number assignment, procurement type, user department, field selection, account determination.
And also tells the which field is required or optional.
Mm.
quantity or value update.
Okay, all answers are correct. Okay, now I want someone of you to explain each and every point in detail. Yes.
While talking about material number assignment, if you consider for internal number assignment, system will generate your material number. That is whatever range you have defined in your configuration, that number will be assigned. And
Okay.
material number can be up to of 18 characters in
Okay.
ECC.
Mm.
While we talking about external numbering, we can give alphanumeric number key to the material. That is name to the material. Yeah, whatever you have to define alphanumerically, you can give up to the 18 characters in external numbering.
Next point. Yes.
There are different views for different material. Like finished goods will have sales views included. Raw material will not have sales views for it.
Good. Next.
Also talking about procurement type, internal procurement is within the plant or within the same plant procurement. Uh, or in case of external procurement, there will be purchase order, PRIs, and all the things happens.
Okay. Next. Okay. So material type controls number assignment. Number assignment means what number will be assigned to a material master record when we create that material, that is controlled by the material type that we enter while creating the material master record. So there are two types of number assignments: internal number assignment and external number assignment. Internal number assignment means system will assign the number to the material type based on the number range that is assigned to that material type. External number assignment means we as a user need to input the material number manually for that material. That is called as external number assignment. The second thing that is controlled by the material type is procurement type. Whatever materials will be created using a particular material type, whether those materials are to be purchased from the vendor or they can be manufactured in our own plants, that can be controlled using the material type configuration. So in material type, if we make use of the indicators, external purchase orders allowed and internal purchase orders allowed, using these two indicators in material type configuration, we can set the procurement type as internal, external, or both. So when it is internal procurement type, the materials created using that material type will be procured internally from other plants of the same company code. When it's external procurement, you have to purchase the materials from the vendor. And when it is both internal and external, we can manufacture the material in-house or we can purchase the material from the vendor. User departments. The material type also controls which user departments can maintain the material master data. So user departments are nothing but the views of the material master record. So in material type configuration, we can select only those views that we want to allow users to maintain or change. The views that we deselect in material type configuration will not be available for use or to maintain by the users. Then the next is field selection. Field selection is nothing but we can assign attributes to particular fields in the material master records, whether they can be hidden, whether they can be display only, whether they can be mandatory or they can be optional. So either of these four attributes, one attribute can be assigned to each field in the material master record, and this field selection can be controlled on material type level. The last point is automatic account determination, where we enter a valuation class in the material master. We can enter that valuation class in material master because of account category reference that is assigned to the material type in material type configuration. So based on the account category reference, we can enter a valuation class into the material master, and a GL account which is assigned to this valuation class is used by the system when we post the goods receipt to post the stock value of that particular material in the GL account that is associated with that particular valuation class. So this is how material type controls these settings for the material master. Clear? Understood? Any doubts, any questions here?
Yes, sir.
Clear है सबको?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is the transaction code used to configure the material type?
Sir, screen is not visible. If you are sharing the screen is not visible.
What